Hi everybody, Dr. Valerie Alikakos, your chiropractor and nutritionist. Today I'm going to do a health pearl on protein. So we talk a lot about different foods and healthy foods, but I'm going to single out protein because protein has some very interesting qualities to it. And you can use it to really help your energy, help stabilize sugar cravings, help stabilize your blood sugar, help stabilize your hormones, help stabilize your mood. I bet you didn't know all that protein can do that. So first let's just talk about what is protein. What foods contain protein? So there's all the animal foods that are the animal proteins, are very high content of protein in them. So the chicken, the fish, the meat, shellfish, eggs, chicken, I think I mentioned that, I'm not sure. So those are all the animal proteins. And then there's things like cheese, but stay away from the fake cheeses like American cheese, high quality cheese, that's also high in protein. Dairy, some people want to stay away from dairy, that's fine. You don't have to eat all these sources of protein, but these are what contain proteins. Beans are a really high source of proteins, anything, lentils, garbanzo beans, hummus, split peas, any type of bean you can think of, they're very high in protein. And nuts and seeds, almonds, peanuts, walnuts, of course the almonds, the walnuts, those are the best the type of nuts to get. And then, but all the nuts have a lot of nice protein in them. So that includes the nut butters. So when you're getting a nut butter though, so just be careful, turn around and read the ingredients and make sure that you're getting just a natural nut butter. Basically, if you're gonna get a peanut butter or an almond butter, you're gonna turn around the ingredients and you're gonna read almonds. Or you're gonna turn around the ingredient and you should read peanuts. There's no added anything to it. They may add a little bit of salt. Stay away from anything that has added sugars and anything like that. And things like Skippy and Jif are more like, spreads than they are nut butters. So if you want to really go for a quality protein, be careful there with the nut butters, okay? So what does protein do? Protein is our stability food. So it's really good to get some protein throughout the day because it will stabilize your blood sugar. Getting protein every 3 or 4 hours, whether it be in a meal or in a snack, will really help stabilize your blood sugar. And you know that afternoon crash a lot of people get, or where they have to drink a coffee, or if they get afternoon cravings for sugary foods because the energy goes down. That's because the blood sugar drops. So protein stops the blood sugar from dropping. So if you get protein every 3 or 4 hours, like I said, either in a meal or in a snack, on any of those foods that I mentioned, it stabilizes the blood sugar. So your blood sugar is now doing this, right? If you're getting protein, then you don't get protein, blood sugar drops. And then what happens? Your body all of a sudden, because it senses a blood sugar drop, craves sugar. So that's why it's one of the reasons why people start getting sugar cravings. And then you will go for whatever fast sugar, and the fast sugars are the non-healthy sugars. You're not gonna really opt usually for fruit. So you're gonna get a sugar, and then you're gonna get your blood sugar will elevate up. And then the blood sugar gets a quick drop after that, back down. And then what happens? Your energy goes down, you crave sugar. Your energy goes down, your mood goes down, your hormone levels drop, everything drops with your blood sugar. So, and then that dreaded, I'm craving sugar, I'm in a slump, I'm not in a good mood, my hormones are out of whack. Not that you would feel that immediately, but nonetheless, but stress hormones, you would feel that right away. And then again, you crave a sugar, you want to eat a sugar, you grab a sugar, and there it goes. It's an endless cycle and it's not good. So if you eat protein and you use a nice, clean, lean, quality protein, and you feed your body every 3 or 4 hours, instead of that up and down that happens, that protein will just stabilize your blood sugar. And then what's going to happen? No sugar cravings, or definitely that will get out of the equation at least. You may still crave sugar because you like them and you're used to them. That's a whole other segment that we'll do. But the sugar cravings will really help stabilize the sugar cravings. And then what happens? Your mood is burning nice and even. Your energy is burning nice and even. Everything is nice and even. You're a lean, clean machine, just going and having energy throughout the day, and it feels good. So good quality proteins help stabilize everything. And I hope you just put that into practice and see how helpful it'll be virtually right away. Be well, everybody. Bye-bye.